Next best promo code to use in Malaysia. So to do that, you have to log out of your current OneXBet account. Click on menu, then click on the settings buttons above. Scroll down, click on log out of account, then you log out. Then on this next session, you click on the big green register button above. Click on full. Then on this next session, you input all your details correctly, and then country, Malaysia. Then your currency, Malaysian ringgit. Then on your promo code section, input your promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting your promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit 10,000 Malaysian ringgit, you get 40,000. Then you click these three boxes and then you register.